I ain't never done that to nobody. Black. Who is this? Hello? Hello?
What?
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
It's gonna be $25 sitting in my box.
Where from?
Time is money.
Time is money.
What?
You need to send me $25. It's just sitting in my box. It's a fee.
It's a fee.
You are a bitch.
I know.
I know.
You are a big bitch.
Oh,
I mean,
all love me.
love me.
I want to fuck. I want to fuck you.
Well, my name is Chesley.
Send me a
Who else has something to say?
What in the hell?
I wasn't here echoing. Too.
Shit. I'll be back. Hold on.
Lala knows that I can't. I'm just trying to work. Who is this? Let's see who this is. Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you have your $25 entry fee?
Yeah.
Okay, well, it needs to come through my Cash App.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, please. God, bitch, was my eyes like boom buckler. Yeah, Barney.
My name's Annette Chesley. Give me a call, okay, baby?
No, baby. Lord have mercy, what the fuck is happening tonight?
Can someone pen my Cash App, please? This is Lala. You know, I went to work all day today. I went to work.
Uh-huh.
I got the new job, right? I have the stethoscope. I'm not lying, okay? And I worked all day, and then I came home, and, you know, you can confirm, you know, I was on the phone with you, and then I was just minding my business. Like, can you confirm that statement?
I can, yep.
Lala don't lie for me.
Nope, never. Chris.
What?
Look, Chris has got a cold too, damn it.
You know, I just really wish I could get some money for some good shampoo because
I mean, it did fall pretty good. Like, it did. It ended up, it fell.
I know, but my Dyson, it's acting up, so I couldn't straighten my hair. Thank you for the hand
Tips. Oh, listen, RT. Listen. Lord have mercy. No face, no case. That's right. Right. What about Michelle's money? Have you reached out to Michelle?
Yeah, I did. And I told her I ain't. Ashlyn, I don't even know why you're here. Baby, you want to be me so bad.
Oh my fucking God. What are you doing, Ashlyn? She done changed her name and everything.
There's not enough gifts coming in here for me to talk, so we can just sit here and stare at each other, I guess.
Lord have mercy. Oh, Nikki, no, we ain't gonna touch that one.
My friends are good. Kelly wants to come in here. See what Kelly has to say.
The chat needs to get with it and gift you. You have rent to pay. Do not make her go sub only.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Or I will give you
I mean,
guys
come on, people.
5 minutes to gift me, or I'm going sub only because I don't want to be streamed somewhere else. I just ate my bowl of cereal, Amanda. I'm on a diet. See, that's what I'm talking about. Thank you, baby. Thank you. I'll make sure I follow you back after this live.
EPM, I appreciate you, baby.
I know, right?
Listen, I gotta give it to you. I gotta fucking give it to you. That was hilarious.
I loved
Just
it.
airing out the fat cat.
Yeah, I gotta give it to you.
Yep.
That was fucking hilarious.
Well,
Train done pulled it off again. I think everybody needed that laugh.
so. Oh, that smell. You need advice about your sick cat? Rocking with your croc chow.
Lord Jesus.
I'm making that on a t-shirt tonight. Wow. Well, y'all, we have one more song for the road.
Let's do a song for the road.
Who's that?
Oh, dude, somebody will have it posted. I hope somebody posted on the read about it. Because it was fucking epic. It was all genuinely fucking funny. Huh.
Um,
Yeah, whoa. Yeah, now when you see me walking, hear the way I talk, it's obvious that I'm a product of the trailer park, and I'm not so small when it comes to math, but I'll bet $100 I can whip your ass. Now when you see me walking, hear the way I talk, it's obvious that I'm a product of the trailer park, and I'm not so small when it comes to math, but I'll bet $100 I can whip your ass. Oh Lord, the trailer trash is at it again. I'm sending shots at everybody, let the hatred begin. I'm really living how I'm sitting, I ain't living pretend. I'm about to shit on everyone who ever doubted I'd win. Came out the trailer, mama should've whooped my ass. I was 6 when I found a 38 in the grass, and I tugged that bitch up in my waist right fast, and then I paused. If you caught me, I will blast. Motherfucker, I'm reckless. Someone put a body on my necklace. I'm trying to leave this horseman headless, living life stressless, smoking joints and playing with her bestest. She tells me that she love me and she said it on the best. When you see me walk and hear the way I talk, it's obvious that I'm a product of the trailer park, and I'm not so small when it comes to math, but I bet $100 I can whip your ass. Now when you see me walk and hear the way I talk, it's obvious that I'm a product of the trailer park, and I'm not so small when it comes to math, but I bet $100 I can whip your ass. It's bobbing, haters in the city where I'm walking. If they try me, I'ma put them in a coffin. Ain't no yelling, ain't no talking. Fire on me, ain't afraid to spark 'em, and I handle it myself, so I ain't even gotta mark 'em, bitch. Had to take a second to breathe. I'm bad as fucking out of breath, I swear you wouldn't believe. Guess the rest is for the best, and yes, the best is me. I got the hammer on my waist, so I'm content as could be. And I promise, it's just another day up in the office, bitch. I'm sick of my spitting, making bombing, motherfucker. I promise, just another day up in the office, bitch. I'm sick of my spitting, making bombing. Now when you see me walking, hear the way I talk, it's obvious that I'm a product of the trailer park, and I'm not so small when it comes to math, but I bet $100 I can whip your ass. Now when you see me walking, hear the way I talk, it's obvious that I'm a product of the trailer park, and I'm not so small when it comes to math, but I bet $100 I can whip your ass.
I cannot. Oh my fucking god. I can't.
Oh, Lord.
On that note, y'all,
You know where we're about to go.
good night, my babies. Thank you for
You know
all.
where we're about to go.
Thank you for all your money tonight.
Y'all are fucking amazing.